Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zaina with Zaina's Fine and Tears, and today's video we're going to talk about this Ethan Allen saltwood dresser. So I gave my piece a light sanding using 220 grit sandpaper. Then I'm cleaning the whole piece with TSB. It's a heavy duty cleaner. It's really heavy duty. It will remove all the grease, the dust and everything. Try to clean it with water after that. Then I'm giving my piece a prime coat or primer using Zinsser oil-based primer. So for today's project, we're using Annie Sloan, Florance, and ANTIBES greens. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, ANTIBES green. But I really love these two colors together. They blend magically. It's like you don't have to do anything. Just move your brush for, mixing both colors and they're just gonna blend. I love it. So what I wanted for this piece, I wanted the center of my piece or the drawers to be the Florence color, and around it will be the ANTIBES greens or the ANTIBES green color, which is the light green color. So the piece I'm working on is actually part of set. I bought this Ethan Allen saltwood dresser, a full-size bed, and a desk with a chair for $100. It was a steal actually. I will never find like a set like this for that price. And I was on vacation, so I asked the guy, can he deliver? He said yes. And I'm like, okay, I'll just pay you more. And boom, I got it. I was really happy with this purchase. I'm gonna separate it. I'm gonna sell the dresser with a bed separately from the desk and chair to get more profit out of the set. I'll give my piece a first coat, then I'll let it dry for a few hours. Then I'm gonna paint it again for the second coat and try to blend everything in a better way. Usually first coat I don't like really put a lot of effort to blend because I know all that will be covered, but at least with the first coat you will have an idea, or I'll have an idea about the style that I want for my piece. And after it's dry, I start painting the second coat using my spray mist bottle. It's kind of to reactivate or get a better blending for my colors or for my piece. So these two colors I've already painted a piece with before, but I added a lam I think, and the brown color with some texture. I'm gonna put the link up if you would like to watch that too. And I'm gonna paint the desk and the chair with the same colors but different style. I just want to see how many styles I can get out of these two colors. I can add things to it. I can make it rustic or texture and maybe a little bit fancy for the desk. For the edges, I'm using the Bronze Age wax by Re.design with Prima, and I'm using the brush, which is wax brush. It has a tip which is perfect if you want to use it for stencil. And now it's time to add the Vintage Rustic Transfer by Prima. I love it because it has different kind of styles or pictures in one transfer. You can just cut and create your own. and I love that. I love transfer has like a small pieces, like you can create your own style or design. All I did is added this. Oh, and it has the same picture. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add this bird, the hummingbird, on the dresser, and I'm gonna use the same thing on the bed. But I'm gonna post a video bed probably later. You can check it out. That's why I added the Bronze Age on the edges, which is it will give it a rustic look so I can match my transfer. This is how I usually plan my pieces or design them. If I want the transfer to match my piece, I'll use colors. It's already on the transfer, so I can get that nice vibe, or you know, the flow. It's like everything is matching, not something coming weird. Don't get me wrong, sometimes you create a wonderful pieces by choosing a completely different transfer with a completely different color. I'm just talking in here about the video. And yes, sometimes takes you a few minutes or probably an hour to just put the bird right. Like here, I was trying to just make it, is it right? Is he flying like straight or like a little bit up? He's going up or where? That's why I put this video, so you can see it's not easy. It's like you're gonna yeah, like you can see in the video it's very easy and everything is fast, but in reality, you know, this piece took me probably 2 weeks to finish. There's 2 pieces here. That's why I was taking it easy. And yes, finally we knew he was kind of in between these two. After it was done, I added more Bronze Age, and I love it. It's like exactly what I wanted for the piece. And I protected my piece with 3 coats of polyacrylic water base. For the last step, I'm using 3D matte gel and the Finnabair by Prima. It's tissue paper, comes really thin, so it's perfect for the drawers. It's very simple. Just apply your gel, then apply your tissue paper, and it's not gonna rip because the gel is a little bit thick. Will give it a perfect look. This is the piece after I was done. It's kind of rustic from one side. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please let me know if you like the video or not, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.